In this lesson, we will learn some basics concept of cybersecurity. Cybersecurity, or information security, is the practice of protecting computer systems, networks, and data from theft, damage, unauthorized access, or any form of unauthorized or malicious activities. The fundamental concepts of cybersecurity revolve around ensuring the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of information. Here are some basic concepts in cybersecurity. Confidentiality. Definition: ensuring that information is only accessible to those who have the proper authorization. Methods: encryption, access controls, user authentication. Integrity. Definition: ensuring the accuracy and reliability of data and information by preventing unauthorized tampering or modification. Methods: data validation, checksums, digital signatures. Availability. Definition: ensuring that information and resources are available and accessible when needed. Methods: redundancy, backup and recovery plans, distributed systems. Authentication. Definition: verifying the identity of users, systems, or entities. Methods: passwords, biometrics, multi-factor authentication. Authorization. Definition: granting or restricting access rights and permissions based on the authenticated user's identity and level of trust. Methods: access control lists, role-based access control. Network security. Definition: protecting the integrity and confidentiality of data as it is transmitted over networks. Methods: firewalls, intrusion detection prevention systems, virtual private networks. Endpoint security. Definition: securing individual devices, such as computers, mobile devices, from unauthorized access and potential threats. Methods: antivirus software, endpoint detection and response device management. Security awareness. Definition: educating users and organizations about potential security threats and best practices for maintaining a secure environment. Methods: training programs, phishing awareness, regular communication. Incident response. Definition: the process of detecting, responding to, and mitigating the impact of security incidents. Methods: incident response plans, forensic analysis, communication strategies. Cryptography. Definition: the practice of securing communication and data through the use of mathematical algorithms to encrypt and decrypt information. Methods: public key infrastructure, symmetric and asymmetric encryption, hashing. Vulnerability management. Definition: identifying, assessing, and mitigating vulnerabilities in systems and applications. Methods: regular security assessments, patch management, vulnerability scanning. Security policies and procedures. Definition: documented guidelines and rules that govern the implementation and management of security within an organization. Methods: acceptable use policies, incident response plans, security training. Understanding and implementing these basic concepts is crucial for individuals and organizations to establish a strong cybersecurity foundation and protect against the ever-evolving landscape of cyber threats.